Ciara, I promise to always respect, honor, and cherish you, as long as we both shall live. To love you not as an idea of you, but for the person you truly are. Today I take you to be my wife, and I vow to help create for us and our family a life of honesty, trust, and protection. We built a relationship together, and now we are building a beautiful life together. I can't wait to grow with you, learn with you, and live out our days together, side by side, hand in hand. I will love you always, and we are forever stronger together.
Nathan, 10 years ago, you captured my heart by being the exact person you are today. The most caring, loving, compassionate, funniest man I have ever known. Through the good and bad times, you still managed to stay by my side. You truly are my best friend. You're the reason for the smile on my face, and the reason I push myself to be better. You always believed in me even when most people didn't. You always laugh at my jokes when they aren't funny, even though I think they are. You've always shown me the true meaning of being loved like I should be, but not just with me, but with our two beautiful girls that I thank God you gave me. Thank you for always being there for us. Today, I become your wife. Even though we've already been together through this journey in life, this next step is just even more special for the both of us. I've waited my whole life to become Miss Wells. I take you as you are now, tomorrow, and even for eternity to come, to be my husband. Even when the day comes, when we're old and gray, I promise to always see the same eyes and the same heart that I see in you in this exact moment. I promise to put your shorts on your pillow so you don't have to search for them. I promise to kiss your back when you fall asleep before me, and that I have your back no matter what. You are my best friend, and I am the luckiest girl in the world. Now let's do this. See you at the altar, your soon-to-be wife, Miss Wells.
This is more than imagine. This is more than ordinary. Didn't realize this could happen. Oh, the grace would be enough. I see you now with you. Never be the same. Start of my heart, a river washing over me. Came and changed everything. Came and changed
I'm the one that you call when you wanna stay in. I'm the one that you trust with all your secrets. You You wake me up every night to come over, then you fall asleep with your head on my shoulder. We keep on pretending that we're just friends, but all there is heat between us. Every 2-drink buzz, we're on the edge of lighting the spark that we've been hiding. Whenever we catch eyes, you look away like you wanna cross lines. You're fighting it inside. You and me are bound to start a fire with all this heat. With all this heat.
I've had the pleasure of knowing Nate for over a decade. For as long as I've known Nate, Ciara has always been there. So I think we all can agree, Nate, it's about damn time. Ciara, I know Nate will be an amazing husband. He loves both you and the girls with all his heart. I'd like to make a toast to my best friend and his beautiful bride, Mr. and Mrs. Wells. Thank you.
'Cause all there is heat between us. Every 2-drink buzz, we're on the edge of lighting the spark that we've been hiding. Whenever we catch eyes, you look away like you wanna cross lines. You're fighting it inside. You and me are bound to start a fire with all this heat. With all this heat.
Growing up, I never had a sister, but Ciara was the closest thing to it. I knew the day you met Nathan, he changed your world for the better. The way you lit up when you talked about him, I knew he was your knight in shining armor, or better yet, your cowboy in camo on his Can-Am. Nathan, I say this on behalf of all my family. We love you and are so happy you are the man Ciara married today. On that note, let's all raise our glasses to Mr. and Mrs. Nathan Wells.
'Cause all there is heat between us. Every 2-drink buzz, we're on the edge of lighting the spark that we've been hiding. Whenever we catch eyes, you look away like you wanna cross lines. You're fighting it inside. You and me are bound to start a fire with all this heat. With all this heat. Maybe we can lean and pull you close, pull me closer. Maybe we can fall in love, yeah, I know it. This is everything we've been wanting. Yeah, this is everything, just stop running. All there is heat, yeah, heat. Between us. All there is heat between us. Every 2-drink buzz, we're on the edge of lighting the spark that we've been hiding. Whenever we catch eyes, you look away like you wanna cross lines. You're fighting it inside. You and me are bound to start a fire with all this heat. With all this heat. Maybe we can lean and pull you close, pull me closer. Maybe we can fall in love, yeah, I know it. This is everything